This video is about how to connect our video doorbell V5. First, after you remove the back bracket, you will need to remove the installation tape first. Then the doorbell is powered. The app we use is AI Wait. If you are the first time to use our app, you will need to register with your email and log in. Here I already logged in, so I get into the device list directly. Tap Add icon to add a device. Choose Add View Scanning. Choose Video Doorbell. Here it says press and hold the device button for 8 seconds till the light is flashing red. Here, press and hold. The red light is flashing, so next. Is the red light flashing? Yes. Here we need to set up the Wi-Fi and the password. I just entered the correct Wi-Fi name and password. Please note here the device only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, so you cannot use 5G Wi-Fi. Next. Here we get a QR code. Use the doorbell to scan this QR code. Here, sign up successful, confirm. Then we get this new device, this one we just added. Tap the window, and here we get into the live preview.